Well, a large number of the Tangkhul community from the province of Manipur is residing in and around Delhi and NCR and pursuing their careers in an array of sectors. Known as a deeply rooted society, the Tangkhul Naga tribe living in the city creates platform in bringing the community together and still holds and preserves their social values in the bustling multi-ethnical metro city. Likewise, Tangkhul Christian Fellowship Delhi, an ecumenical movement organization, celebrated the historic 25 years of its existence in the city in a grandeur manner.
Northeast Indians, despite being a part of the country, have been left far behind in progress, and hence the talented youth of the region strive to build a career and acquire quality education outside the home state and space out the metro cities as their second home. Though the residents remain to stay far away from home, events and festivals of the region often bring them together and enrich to grow together socially and spiritually, hence standing out with their culture in the hub of multicultural society like Delhi. Tangkhul Naga tribe from Manipur living in Delhi has carved out an exemplary parameter among the community in upholding the traditions of peaceful coexistence. Celebrating the life of peace, unity and renewing their faith, an ecumenical movement society, Tangkhul Christian Fellowship Delhi marked the 25 years of Silver Jubilee celebrations at the St. Xaviers Senior Higher Secondary School in Delhi. Since its inception in 1993, the fellowship has overcome tons of twists and turns during the process of executing the ideology of ecumenism among the community. Termed as a social-religious movement and a community-based interdenomination fellowship, TCFD strives to develop a closer relationship and better understanding among each other while establishing home away from home.
Our objective is to show respect for one another, to have more tolerant society among the Christian communities in Delhi, and we also believe in ecumenical movement within the church institutions.
During the cultural event, one of the first well-known all-girls bands of the Northeast region, Minute of Decade, led a praise and worship and enthralled the audience. The solemn event also showcased performances from various groups and budding artists of the community, including the Little Angels of the Fellowships, a solo piece by Kanting Shimre and many artists.
So it's been very challenging and very a good experience for me. I have associated with TCFD as a member of Executive Council. So it was a learning experience. So I think so far we have come, and today we're celebrating 25 years. So and the speaker has rightly said that we have this TCFD has become adult as 25 years old. So what we have in future is a task to accomplish, is a mission to to gather more soul into this fellowship.
The platform not only cultures up for spiritual growth of the community, but it also enhances to improve the social upbringing of the people in the modern society. At the same time, such event propagates the essence of togetherness and promotes national integrity in broader manner.